Right, this is a back carry with a toddler or an older child in a Didymos DidyKlick half buckle carrier, and I'm going to Superman toss baby onto my back. You can do this with any tie-on carrier, this method. So I've started with it on round my waist, and I'm going to swivel it round so that this is nice and central on my back. And I've got it quite high, and that's so that when they're on my back they can see quite high over my shoulder. Okay, so I have my toddler facing me. They could be standing or they could be sitting. And what I'm going to do is pick them up and toss them over my shoulder onto my back. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to put one hand under one shoulder and arm and the other hand over the other, but I want to cross my hands in front of their chest. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to use my left hand under their left arm. So when I'm looking at them, it's their opposite arm. So my left arm and hand and his left arm. My right hand goes under their right arm. So I've crossed them over. I'm going to lift them up and swing them over. Okay, so now they're quite high on my back already, and I'm just going to make sure they're central. And while I'm leaning forward, I like to grip their thighs a little bit with my arms, top of my arms. I'm going to pull this up, these two straps up, lock my elbows and keep my arms as straight as possible and bring the carrier up over the bottom and over their back. Okay, now I'm going to keep hold of these nice and tight so that baby doesn't drop down like that, and bring them up to the ceiling. Once baby feels nice and secure, give them a little bounce. This baby's going to have his arms out of the carrier, that's absolutely fine as well. Okay, so they're just it's going up to his armpits. Right, so now what I want to do is, keeping these nice and tight, I'm going to bring them round behind me, over the top of his legs, under his bottom, cross them over, and then bring them back round and under his legs and tie it up. If you can't manage doing both at the same time like that, you can do them one at a time. So I'll just go back a few stages and show you. So nice and high, I'm going to tuck one, keep it nice and tight, and tuck it between my knees, and that's going to keep that one nice and secure. This one, I'm going to go round over his leg, under his bottom and under this leg, and then swap that one into my knee, and then the same with this one, over and under, and then tie. You can also go under the legs at the beginning as well, it's just whatever you find most comfortable. So we'll go back a stage again, and then this time we're going to go tuck this one under my leg, we're going to go under that leg, round and under that leg, tuck between my knees, then we're going to go under that leg, under their bottom and under that leg. Again, both of those ways are fine, it just depends what you find more comfortable and what gives your baby the best support up to their knees. And that's it.